Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Motorola Edge 60. Okay, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can reset this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method, which is the most common and recommended when we have access to the phone, is simply through the settings. So the phone is responsive, we can perform any action that we want. So let's open up the settings, scroll down into the bottom, click on the system, and click on the reset option. In here, besides the erase all data that we are interested in the most, we can also reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, device settings, app preferences, and erase the eSIMs. To do it, simply select one of those options if you want and click on reset settings. Also remember that erasing your data will cause this, that you won't be able to restore them unless you create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there is a video when we are showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, now simply click on erase all data. You can also see a few informations right in here, what will be erased, what data. Now simply click on erase all data, then follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, and I'm sure that you will, your screen will go black, your device will be turned off, then turn on again, and basically you need to set up your phone next. Okay, but there is also the second method, how you can reset this device, and it's through the recovery mode. And this method is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's frozen, lagged, and unresponsive. So first, let's turn off our device, let's tap the power button and the volume up button. Click on power off, just like that. Now let's wait. Okay, and now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Just like that. And we need to hold it until we get something like that. Okay, now using the volume keys, we need to find the recovery mode. Okay, just like that. Now confirm by clicking on the power button. Now again, we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, and now we can see on the screen the Android logo and it says no comment. But no worries, to move forward we need to hold the power button and then tap volume up. Just like that. Then release both fingers at the same time, and again using the volume keys select wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by clicking on the power button, select factory data reset, tap the power button. Now you can see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed, so we have our confirmation. Now select reboot system now, click on the power button, and just like on the previous method, within a few seconds the phone will be turned on, and now all you need to do is to set it up. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.